Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Honda CR-V EX all-wheel drive, stock number Z8853A. 42,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, Kona coffee metallic in color. CR-V is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily with the pull of a handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, the CR-V has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on the CR-V, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.